If you're not using webbing for bag making, you are definitely missing out. Not only is webbing durable and functional, but it also adds a stylish touch to your creations. Whether you're making a practical tote, a trendy fanny pack, or a chic crossbody, webbing can elevate your projects and also make them easier to create. In this video, I'll be sharing different types of webbing, how to use webbing in your handmade bag designs, and I'll also share some inspiration for webbing using Sallie tomato patterns. Hey everyone, I'm Jess and welcome back to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. Here at Sallie Tomato, we love helping you create boutique style bags at home. We are very passionate about teaching you how to use unique materials and fun fabrics to create stylish accessories. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out when we launch a new video. We always have lots of tips and inspiration to share with you for your sewing projects. In the description below, you'll find links to everything that I talk about in this video. Plus, we've included a free how-to guide with all of the tips and inspiration that I'll share in this video, so that way you can print off this guide to keep as a resource in your sewing space, so it's handy whenever you need a quick reference. First, let's talk about the different types of webbing and how you can work them into your bag designs. Whether you're looking for something functional, decorative, or somewhere in between, there's a webbing option for you. Webbing is made from a variety of materials, and each type brings its own unique characteristics to the table. So let's break them down. Nylon webbing is strong and lightweight. It's perfect for bags that need durability without extra bulk. This type is great for active or outdoor bags. Cotton webbing is soft, eco-friendly, and versatile. You can dye it, embroider it, or even customize it with ribbon to create a personal touch. Polypropylene webbing is a water-resistant and cost-effective option. Polypropylene is a great choice for outdoor bags or anything that might be exposed to the elements. However, you'll need a heavy-duty sewing machine for sewing with this type of webbing. Seatbelt webbing is made from durable polyester and offers a sleek, smooth finish. It's ideal for crossbody bags or handles for a more modern, polished look. Decorative webbing can come in a variety of forms and materials. From woven patterns to printed designs, decorative webbing adds personality and flair to your bags. Next, let's talk about how to incorporate webbing into your bag projects. Webbing isn't just about function, it's also a great design element. So let's talk about a few of our favorite ways to use webbing. When creating handles and straps, webbing gives you sturdy, comfortable carrying options that stand the test of time. Working with webbing allows you to add adjustable features to your projects using sliders and buckles, which make it easy to create a customized fit and style. Webbing brings a new opportunity for decorative accents. It can add visual interest to your bag by using printed or colorful webbing on your bag exterior, or using it for unique clip-on accessory and attachment options. Structural support can be reinforced in key areas such as straps or handles by using webbing. When used in the right location on your bag, it can ensure that your bag stays strong and durable for years to come. And now let's talk about some inspiration. Let's take a look at some Sallie tomato patterns that feature webbing that add both style and practicality. First up is the Alice tote bag, which is a retro-inspired tote featuring 1-inch webbing straps and a decorative accent that perfectly balances style and function. Its vintage charm, complete with snaps along the top edge, makes it a go-to for carrying your everyday essentials. The Kristin Tote bag has a sleek silhouette that's minimalist yet practical. This design features webbing handles that provide durability while maintaining a polished look. It's perfect for showcasing your favorite fabrics or for keeping it simple for an understated vibe. The Fifth Avenue fanny pack is a hands-free accessory that is a must-have. It features an adjustable webbing strap with a slider buckle. This stylish and functional bag is perfect for any day out. The Novak Tote is a timeless bag with a modern twist, which includes a webbing strap that offers both comfort and style. The adjustable strap and interior pockets make it a versatile choice for any bag lover. The Casablanca water tumbler carrier is the perfect way to stay hydrated in style. The Casablanca pattern features an adjustable webbing strap, making it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're heading to the gym, a festival, or running errands. The Morning Post laptop bag is a commuter bag featuring webbing straps for easy portability and a sleek design that's perfect for carrying your laptop or tablet. This pattern features exterior zipper pockets and a soft lined interior. It's a functional and stylish option for tech lovers. The minimalist Stewart bag design can be customized with a webbing strap of your choice. Choose the size that suits your needs, whether you're carrying a camera, makeup, or snacks. The Stewart bag offers endless versatility. The Make-A-Strap pattern allows you to create your own custom strap. With 4 unique strap styles and various sizes to choose from, the Make-A-Strap pattern lets you add your personal touch to any of your bag projects, even if they don't include webbing within the instructions. And for that stadium-friendly bag, the Ruth crossbody features contrasting webbing accents that are as functional as they are stylish. Plus, with the adjustable strap and the option to use clear vinyl or cork fabric, you can customize the look to suit your style. So as you can see, we love webbing and are so excited to share these pattern inspirations with you, from practical totes to unique accessories. We think webbing is the perfect way to add durability, style, and a little bit of personality to your creations. And if you need a little bit more inspiration, I have a few bonus tips to share with you. Use decorative webbing with bold patterns to add personality to simpler designs. Mix materials like faux leather and webbing for a modern polished look. And I encourage you to play with hardware such as swivel clasps, buckles, and sliders to create adjustable, versatile straps. And don't forget to grab the free downloadable guide packed with all of the info you need to use webbing like a pro. We've added a link to the freebie in the description. Webbing is truly a must-have for any bag maker, and it opens up endless possibilities for creating customized projects. We would love to see how you use webbing in your handmade bag designs. Use the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag CreateConfidently on social media so we can celebrate your creations with you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest tutorials and videos, and let's keep on creating confidently together. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a creative day.